Hi, I'm Brian Smith, Design Director at Full Stack Labs, a software consultancy specializing in React Native design and development. The React Native app of the week is Paired, an app that allows those in the restaurant industry to post and apply for jobs. This week, we're going to take a look at a few of the features and break down the details. Let's have a look.
The initial splash screen is pretty clean, however the placement of the text and slider dots is a bit confusing. The current position of the dots is placed where users typically would expect to see an icon or illustration. If you were to add illustrations, the dots would be moved toward the bottom and the text could remain where it is. If no illustrations are available, push down the text, move it closer to the dots to create a visual relationship through proximity. The sign-up process is really smooth. Each step is split up into easily digestible chunks. The next button is pinned above the keyboard, which makes it easy to jump to the next field. Also, the phone verification code process is quick, and the user is able to fill the code from their clipboard. The app appears to require work history to use it. There is no option to skip the work history portion of sign up, and closing out the Add Experience view takes you back to the onboarding step progress. Consider adding the ability for users with no work history to be able to sign up and see features of the app. You could then restrict the advanced features of the app, such as applying for a gig, to users who have added work history. At the point of applying for a gig, prompt the users with no work history listed to add it before proceeding. The business name lookup feature is really useful. It makes it quick for users to find and add a business, as well as helps them in reducing junk data in the app database. The same goes for roles. By listing the roles based on a search, users can quickly select the right one for them, and the database stays cleaner than allowing anyone to add any role name they want. The profile camera functionality works smoothly, and the ability to crop the photo is nice. However, there is an edge case when a user who has selected a photo from their camera roll changes their mind and wants to take a new photo with their camera. It seems there is no way to do that during sign-up. There is also no way of removing any photos. After a photo is set, when a user taps on the thumbnail, give them the option to remove the photo, select New from Library, or take a new photo. The initial job search card is amazing. It is clear that location plays a key role in finding jobs, and this makes it easy for users to set their location. But this comes to the key problem of the app. Because the use of this app is highly localized, it relies on an abundance of job posting in every metro area. Where I'm located, there are over 2.5 million people within 50 miles, but there are no job postings within that range. As the app and the business continue to grow, this should become less of an issue. I do feel, though, that there isn't a clear enough message around why there are no nearby jobs. A call to action to post a job or tell your employer about the app would make a no results found view into an opportunity rather than a disappointment. The app has loads more features like applying for a job, posting a job, activity feeds, networks, messaging, groups, profile building, and to be honest, each of them works really smoothly. It's a really polished app. However, where I think this app struggles is the breadth of features. It's ultimately unclear what the purpose of the app is. You can meet peers or leaders, chat with groups, look around and apply for jobs, or even post jobs. The app almost feels as though it could be split into 1, an app for employers to post jobs and manage candidates, 2, an app to apply for jobs, and 3, a social network for those interested in the restaurant industry. All in all, Paired is a highly polished React Native app. If you're interested in learning more about how Full Stack Labs can help you with your React Native app, or if you're looking to hire React Native developers, please let us know and we'd be happy to arrange a free consultation.